What's that? So, is that a GoPro? You see it? There you go. Cool.
Thanks.
And Nevada, and you can even find them into the deserts of Mexico itself. And on top of that, there's actually a variation of the Harris hawk into the forests of South America. Like you saw that bird all by itself. And that's because birds of prey, the majority, are solitary animals. So they live and hunt alone. Now that's why the Harris hawk is so cool. Hunt together, and that is very unique. Now, they do live in groups, and that does help them with their hunting. They're very good hunters, by the way. These birds catch all sorts of things. Harris hawks catch mice, they catch rats, they catch rabbits, and they catch jackrabbits and hares. They catch some trickier things like lizards and snakes, which can be pretty venomous, depending on the type of food, just like a lot of you guys do, and in fact, you've probably all seen it before. Now, you probably haven't seen his favorite movie last. The Roadrunner, you got it, absolutely. He loves to catch any Roadrunners. That's absolutely right. Now, looking at it. Does anyone want to take a guess as to what that might be? What do you think the difference is between the boys and the girls right here? Yeah. Oh, sorry, buddy. Yeah, the plumage. All right, so like the colors or the patterns, right? So who says that's what's going on? Maybe there's a color or a pattern difference between the boys and the girls. Now that's a very common theme through the bird world, right? Lots of birds have that, but in the bird of prey world, that's actually not the case, believe it or not. The boys and girls have the exact same colors and patterns. So we're not... This is probably the most common member of the owl family across Canada. But again, not many people have seen them, and there is a reason for that. First of all, they don't exactly keep the same schedule as us. Great one out. Jack looks like he's ready to do a bit of flying for us today. Now, Jack's a bit funny though. He's not just a flying owl. Jack sometimes likes to dance as well. So you can see Jack's bobbing his head side to side, and that's actually not uncommon. If Jack wants to tell about how far away something is from him, he has to get a couple different angles on whatever he looks at. So he bobs his head side to side and up and down. Sounds, he actually does dance because he has big eyes. Alright, now, just because he's a dancer, and just because he is very easily distracted, doesn't mean he's not a good hunter. Great horned owls are some of the best hunters out there in the forests of Canada. They catch owls of how powerful they are. They are incredibly powerful animals. And catch anything from mice and rats, which are very easy prey. Anything up to chipmunks and squirrels as well as things like rabbits and jackrabbits and hares and gophers and groundhogs and bees. Is named for his red tail. Do you know? The red-tailed hawk, absolutely, you got it. It's a hawk with a red tail, so we call it the red-tailed hawk, right? Pretty clever, right? Sadie is absolutely a beautiful red-tailed hawky bird of prey found all across North America. Now, one of the first reasons is that red tails are a bit different than the other two birds I just brought out, because unlike the Harris hawk and the great horned owl, the red-tailed hawk doesn't have a favorite food. Always food. The next thing is that red tails are not scared of living near humans. They will live anywhere they want, regardless of who is already living there. So that means they know there's always somewhere to live, and you'll find them. So in the Western Hemisphere, they are very widespread. All right, now, when Sadie flies across the audience, Sadie likes to fly fast and low. We'll see what everybody does here. What I can guarantee, however, is if you do decide to sit tall, Sadie will not crash. He might come incredibly close, he might get you with his wing or his tail, but that is as far as it goes. Sadie has been doing these shows for, believe it or not, coming up, or rather just past 18 years. And in all of that time, we haven't lost an audience member yet. So, that up today. Sadie's doing a great job for us so far, and I will say another quick thing about the red-tailed hawk. I did mention they have a very famous voice, and in fact, you've probably all heard it before. Because if you've ever seen a movie, if you've seen a TV show, if you've seen or heard a radio ad, or watched a cartoon, it really doesn't matter. If there's a bird afraid in it, chances are, no matter what that bird was, if it made a sound, no matter what the bird was, they all made the same sound, right? We've all heard, all of us just never heard a bird in their life. However, that does belong to a bird, and you are looking at it right now. That is the territory. Contract. So, unfortunately, I can't keep them out quite as long as the other birds. We're going to take you to one last flight first right here. Thank you, Sadie. I'm going to put Sadie away, but he did a great job. So let's give him a nice big round of applause. Second, this bird is an absolutely magnificent bird, right? It's huge, it's powerful, it's gorgeous, and all around great bird of prey. Third reason, as we proved, he is very recognizable, and if you're going to represent an entire continent's worth of wildlife, well, it's good that people actually know what you are, right? That's probably a good thing, that they can recognize you. So on that bit of conservation note, that brings me to the end of my demonstration. I do want to thank you all so much for stopping by and listening to what I had to say. My name is Matthew, and this is Rocco. We're with the Canadian Raptor Conservancy. Thank you all so much, you guys, have been great.